Dok, indoor cat naman siya. So, hindi siya nagkakapulgas at healthy naman ang coat niya. This is actually a common myth. Hi guys, Doc Ara here. Kahit indoor cat yan, pwede pa rin magkapulgas at hindi automatic healthy ang coat. So, here are solutions that you could do maging healthy ang coat ng inyong pusa. Regular spot-on treatment. Yes, kahit indoor yan, spot-on treatment is important. One good example is NexGuard Combo, wherein it covers fleas, ticks, selected worms. It has a good 1-month protection for your pet. And better yet, consult your veterinarian for this medication. Proper nutrition. Shiny coat starts with good food. Para ma-maintain ko yung mga coat ng mga pusa ko, I do actually give them food item. It's rich in salmon oil like this Fuzz and Beauty by Muchi. It has salmon oil which is rich in omega fatty acids, omega-3 and omega-6. And very good for their skin and coat integrity to. Regular brushing. Alam ko maraming mga fur parents na medyo guilty dito na hindi nila na nababrush everyday ang kanilang mga cats. Brushing helps spread yung mga natural oils nila and reduces shedding. Stress-free environment. Siyempre, ang laking factor ng stress. High in cortisol or stress ang mga pusa nyo, mas prone sila mag-shed. So, better may routine, may playtime, may mga scratch posts sila, may mga safe hiding spots, at hindi magulo yung room or kung saan sila nakatira. Less stress, then less over-grooming. And of course, vet checkups. Kapag nag-change yung coat nila, parang napapanot na, tapos nagiging dull, kahit na anong bigay nyo type of diet, it's better yet to have them checked. If you have other concerns regarding your cat's coat or skin, don't forget to consult your veterinarian.